Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today, I have my regular Ipsy bag. I thought I'd already done this for May, but clearly I hadn't. This is my May bag. It has just arrived. Today is June 3rd. I must have gotten it on like the 31st. I really don't mind when it comes as long as I get it. So let's get in here and see what I've got. Ipsy Glam Bag, the original Glam Bag. It's the cute little one. Oh, that's really pretty. My mom might like that. That is very pretty. Really nice and floral here for summer. It will have 5 products in it. They will be deluxe samples. You do get to choose one of them. They give you a selection of items and you can pick the one that is best for you in that. And then they fill it with 4 more items. Sometimes you'll get a full size. You might get like a brush or a fingernail polish. Although I haven't had fingernail polish in quite some time, but there are random sometimes full size thing. We have our May 2024, The Secret Garden. That's our paperwork. Hopefully on the inside, it will tell us a little bit about everything in here. It doesn't. It usually does in the regular little glam bag. This one doesn't. So let's just see what we can find out. All of my products fit in here though. And before it comes up, because I feel quite certain I'm getting ready to tape a lot of videos, and before it comes up, this is the robe curls. I'm going to put a little video up on my Insta and as a short. Probably I'll do it before this video goes up, that we got in our, I think it was our Fabfitfun, that you just put on and you wrap your hair around slightly damp at night, you sleep on it. It is the first thing that I have ever used that has curled my hair and left it curled for more than 5 or 10 minutes. I will sleep on these tonight, and when I wake up tomorrow morning, they will still be curly. I'll try and link or tag them down below in case you have any interest. I have stick straight hair. I used to get permanents that would just fall out instantly. This thing is a miracle. I mean, it's gonna fall a little bit because I'm fresh off of just taking it out, but anyway, we'll probably talk about this again because I am still amazed. I've done it 3 or 4 times now, and I am still amazed how curly it makes my hair and how long it stays curly. First out of my bag, we have a Everyday Vacay by Ciate London. I think I have actually had this in the full size before. It is a hydrating face primer. It's a deluxe mini though, and this baby is packed full. It is 10 ml, and it says make your skin feel like it's on a permanent vacation with this primer. It has conditioning vitamin B5, a hydrating complex, and soothing peach extract to help your complexion feel prepped and ready for any adventure that will come your way. I have used this in the past. I don't have any now, and I have to be honest, I don't remember whether I liked it or not. It is just, wow, I don't even know if I can show you that. Can you see it right there? It is just literally like a clear gel. Oh, it feels almost like water when it goes on. It doesn't have a real silicone slip to it. It feels more like a serum. Oh, it's got, oh, is that coconut? It mentioned peach, it never mentioned coconut. It smells, is it me? No, that absolutely smells coconutty. I will be trying that again. I don't remember what I thought about it. Let me know below if you remember. Next out, I have a Highlash Hyaluronic Acid Serum Mascara. Well, we'll give this a try. Although right now I am trying several to be mascaras because I want to be able to do a video comparing them. And I just finished using the one that came in our Fabfitfun summer box, the Blink. Spoiler alert. Okay, this says it's in black, and that is what it looks like. I kind of like the way that looks, just with the pink with the stark black writing on it. It says Highlash by Toy Factory. Your serum and mascara are now one. Highlight your eyelids and the root of your lashes with our hyaluronic acid serum mascara for a healthy, bold, long-lasting lash. Ooh, that's what the brush looks like. It looks basically like the OG Great Lash brush, just kind of slightly rounded. It smells like mascara. Give it a try. Next out, I have a What's Up Beauty. It's whatsupbeauty.com. Looks like a lippy. That is what it looks like. Let's take it out here. Oh, it's pretty. It is, I don't know if I can ever get that across. Can you guys see that? I'll just hold it several different ways. It is stamped on the tip of it. Isn't that pretty? I do not think I'm going to swatch this color. That looks very nude, and I am absolutely horrific in nude colors. They make me, it gives me a real concealer lip look, and as I get older, my face is so pale that when I make this pale too, it is just not a great look on me. Next up, we have the Context Brow Pomade Stick. I would like a nice brow pomade. This is what it looks like. It looks like it's got two ends. Oh, this is the waxy part. It's gonna hold everything in place. Wow, I am so light. Why is it so light? I'm hesitant to make it dark because I do tend to run dark. I thought this was gonna be like the color and then that was gonna be the stick it down. Nope. This is the stick it down and then that is the brush your teeth. But seriously, you probably just, here, let's try it because I only put on color today. I didn't put on any pomade. So can you see this? In theory, you're just gonna go along it, which should be interesting because like I said, I have color on, and then take your little toothbrush and brush it up. I might would try this on days when I have to do the other one because it has to be even. I might would do this on days when I'm not wearing color and I'm just looking to have them slightly in control. I spent several years saying I was really lucky that my brows didn't really go out of control. They didn't try and poke forward or do anything weird. They just kind of laid there flat on my face in the appropriate shape. I might have spoken too soon. I have noticed lately that especially the ones on the ends, the ones that are hanging in there, because those are the ones you start losing, but that the ones on the ends want to stand up a little more. So this might be perfect for that. In all fairness, I just made it a little dark because I do have on brow liner, but I will play with this. This is very interesting. I have the Anastasia pot that's their clear gel. It's just like a brow gel, and you dip a spoolie into it, and then you kind of, but two things. One, I do my makeup before I do that because when I bounce my makeup, it messes up my eyebrows. So from doing that, using my spoolie gets gross from my makeup that the gel is taking off when I do it over my brows. That sounds very convoluted, but it's lifting makeup off just my brow area. But I have to wash that spoolie so often because it gets grody really quick. So this would avoid that. And Context is, just for the record, if you're new to Ipsy, Context is an Ipsy brand. That said, I always like the Context products that I get. So it's an Ipsy brand, but I've always really liked the brand. And I bet that is full size, and I bet this is full sized so far. So technically, I have two full size products in my little bag. This was my choice. I don't really understand what it is. It's SOS hair powder in Dazzle Me. So I guess it's like for second day hair, and you're gonna kind of tap it in to soak up oils. Let's see what it says. Quickly controls oil. That's a good one for me. And it leaves your hair dry and fluffy. Well, my hair's pretty fluffy today from all the curls, but let's see what this does because this is day 2 hair. See, I have found, you guys know, I really prefer to wash my hair every day. If you watch the channel, you hear me talk about that. But I'm really trying to be better at it. And on day 2, I'm just cranky about it. I really wish every time I get out of the shower, I'm pouting because I didn't wash my hair on day 2. So I try and find fun new products. So it feels up top just kind of like a powder puff, like you would use on your face, like the old ones that used to come with powders. You could, well, actually, you could use them on your body too. That's kind of what that feels like. So I wonder what I do. Do I take the lid off? Let's see what's happening. Oh, I don't think I was supposed to do that. Let's try and put most of it back in here. But just for the record, oh, if I can get it to you, that's how much you get. Can you guys see? Way down in there. Spilled just a skosh, maybe 1 use worth on my table. As I recall, when I chose this, I think it was cornstarch. I wouldn't have chosen it if it was talc. So I guess in theory, now that I've taken the lid off, I guess in theory, you're just gonna do this. Nothing's coming out. Give me a minute. I don't see anything coming out. Maybe my skin is too light. That is a problem I have. Anything's happening. Did you guys get this? Is this what you did? I don't know if it's working or not. Hold on, let me look it up and see if I'm doing it right. For the record, it says, introducing your new hair hero, this easy to use dry shampoo that helps get your tresses in tip-top shape. Not only does the formula help banish any oily residue, but it also helps volumize your roots so you can quickly go from meh to nature. And the picture they have just has it easily coming out of that top. Shake the container first, then use the built-in sponge to gently pat the powder onto any oily areas. Okay, well, let's put the lid back on and give it a shake. Let's see what happened. Oh, there's stuff in there. I wonder if that's from, I think that might be from the mess I made though when I took it off. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, I can see where a little bit came out. And it does, from the tapping, it does seem to blend in pretty nicely. Interesting. It is making my hair a little white. It says it has fragrance in it. I don't smell anything. Those are my 5 Glam Bag products. I think this was a pretty good month. I got the Highlight Mascara. I'll give that a try. I have this nice coconutty smelling, although they say peach extract, Everyday Vacay. I feel like I've tried it before. I don't remember whether I finished it or whether I rejected it. I have this nice lippy. It is very pretty. The top was stamped very nicely. The color's not perfect for me, so instead of swatching it and ruining it, I'm just gonna pass it along. This cool Context Brow Pomade. I'll mess around with this. I kinda like it. And this SOS Dazzle Dry Shampoo Fluff Your Hair Up thing. It probably helped. Those are my 5 products. And then you also get each month, in this one, you still get the cute little bag. And that was the May bag. I already have a picture since I was looking up a little information on the dry shampoo, and just for the record, that's what the June bag looks like. Spoiler alert. Oh, I should have said that first. Spoiler alert. All right, thank you guys so much for coming by. This was just a quick run through my bag. I will put my link below. It is not an affiliate link. I am in no way affiliated. I think I might be the only one. I am in no way affiliated with Ipsy. The Glam Bag is, I think, $14 plus $2 shipping and handling is what they call it. They don't call it shipping and handling. They don't want you to think of that packaging fee. I forget what they call it. But there's another $2 fee. So it turns out to be $16. I think they say you'll have a greater than $60 value in it. I believe that's probably true, and I feel like I got really fun things to try. I absolutely don't mind this being a $14 bag. Thanks again for coming by, guys. I hope you have a fantastic evening. If you don't subscribe, I hope you will consider and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Have a good evening, guys. Bye.